When I moved to Maui, I didn't know a single buyer, no past clients, no local connections, just me, my iPhone, and a market full of real estate agents who had been there for decades. I didn't buy leads, I didn't chase open houses. I built my entire business using YouTube without going viral. A couple of videos went viral. It was just consistent, helpful videos built specifically for second home buyers who were watching from the mainland. In over 3.5 years, I grew the channel to a little over 7,500 subscribers, about 1.1 million views. But more importantly, those views turned into real clients. Remote buyers would call me up and say, "Hey, Adam, we have been watching your videos for months. We trust you. Can you help us buy a place?" Here's the key. Every video had a job. I didn't chase views. I didn't chase trends. I made videos that answered the real questions that my out-of-state buyers were already typing into YouTube and Google, like what's it like to actually live on Maui full time? How bad is the traffic in South Maui? What's the deal with leasehold versus fee simple properties? I didn't just post home tours. I talked about what it's really like to live on Maui and not just vacation there. I talked about the pros and the cons. I talked about the stuff that nobody else was talking about. How expensive groceries really are. Like what's it like dealing with shipping delays or power outages. The difference between beach life when you're visiting and beach life when you're working or raising a family or retiring there. I answered the uncomfortable questions. Why? Because that's what remote buyers actually care about. See, the problem is most real estate agents post videos that sound like a listing sheet. I made videos that felt like a friend walking you through what life actually felt like there. That is what second home buyers need, not sales scripts, not hype, just clarity. So if your videos aren't converting yet, it's not because you're bad on video. It's because you're following the wrong playbook. And that is what I teach at realestatevideostrategy.com. If the link is not clickable, just type it in. It's built specifically for agents in second home and vacation markets. You're going to love it.